This is Tim from Your 630. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to move photos from your iPhone to a USB drive just like this. So depending on your device, I have an older iPhone, so I'm going to be using the Lightning charging port right here to transfer. But on your regular iPhone, the newer one, you're going to be using USB-C just like this. So I have an adapter. I plug it into this USB to Lightning. Otherwise you have USB to USB-C, so we have to plug this in on the bottom of our iPhone now. So just like this. Once you have it plugged in, to move photos from your iPhone to USB, it's very easy. Locate photos, so we can go to photos here. Then we want to go to select on top, select your photos. Okay, then we go to share, and then we can share it under here. So we want to go to save to files. If your USB is plugged in, we should be able to see it now. So we can go to the three little dots, and we should be able to create a new folder somewhere if we want to do that. But we want to back out, and we want to go to my drive. So it's untitled right here, and this is my drive. So we can go back up here, and we can create a new folder if we want. Otherwise, we can just save it directly to my USB drive. So it's saved on there, and we should be good to go. We can also go to Files, and we can just check on here to see if it's saved. So let's go to Files, open this up, and then under Files, we should be able to see it. So we can go back. Here's Untitled, and it looks like it's in there now. So I moved them. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.